Calculus is concerned with two basic, most used and known operations, the differentiation and integration. Calculus has its vitality and wide range of influence that capture different fields such as engineering, medicine, economics, and so much more. It is indeed noticeable that calculus plays a vital role and crucial among those fields to provide knowledge for understanding as well as for analyzing concepts like change of rates, areas, and volume. Lastly, what makes calculus even powerful is that it is fundamental and foundation of many advanced mathematics that has been continuously used in the present time. Isang maganda at mainit namang talakayan ang ating aalamin ngayon, mga kalmare. Dahil sa episode nito, ating aalamin ang naging higwaan sa pagitan ng dalawang business women rivals sa kanilang mga naging negosyo. Ating alamin ang kwento sa likod ng problemang ito. Andito si Business Chuchu number 1 para sabihin ang kanyang hinaing sa kanyang ka-rival na si Business Chuchu number 2.
Good morning po, Madam Carlo. Alam ko po na parehas kami ng tinda ng cookies ni Chuchu to. At gayon din ang price. Kaya lang, hindi ko lang po nagugustuhan, wala na po halos bumibili sa akin dahil sa tinda niya.
Kung ano problema doon, naiingit ka kasi nalalamangan ka.
Kalma muna po tayo, Chuchu number 2. Hayaan po muna natin magpaliwanag si Chuchu number 1.
Kasi, Ma'am Carlo, ganito po yan. Kung tutuusin po sa akin, wala namang problema. Businesswoman lang din naman po ako at alam ko naman kung maraming ginagawa ko.
Ang nais ko lang po malaman at ma-resolve ay para kumita ulit kami at mapalaki ang production ng bigger cookies. Na kung gayon na dati 150 cookies per day at ang gagawin namin 250 cookies per day.
Matakot naman. Alam niyo po, Business Chuchu number 1, tamang-tama at nandito kayo sa Kalmaring face to face. Dahil ang solusyon tungkol sa business ay aming kayang solusyonan. Alam niyo po ba ang marginal cost? Kung hindi, ating alamin gamit sa chismis. I-chismis mo. Hi, ako ang inyong mga kalmare. Alam niyo ba ang marginal cost? The essence of marginal cost is the incremental expense incurred when producing one additional unit of a product or service. It's the cost of adding one single item to production, helping a business to understand the profitability of expanding output and make informed decision and pricing. Business use marginal cost to make decisions about whether to increase the production, adjust prices, or explore alternative production methods. Ang formula para sa marginal ay naisusulat sa MCQ or marginal cost Q is equal to DCQ over DQ. It is the derivative of the total cost function with respect to the quantity Q. It represents the additional cost of producing one more unit at a given level of output. Sabihin na natin si Chuchu number 1, gamit ang calculus, marginal cost ay may total cost sa kanyang negosyo na naisusulat sa C of X is equal to 500 plus 20X minus 0.1X squared plus 0.002X cubed. Hanapin natin ang marginal cost na kung saan gagawin daw niyang 200 pieces of cookies per day. For solution, first, let's find the derivative of the cost function. So, nasusulat siya sa C of X is equal to D over Dx at yung cost function nga natin na 500 plus 20X minus 0.01X squared plus 0.0002X cubed. Kunin natin ang derivative ng 500, which is 0, kaya hindi na naisulat. Kunin natin ang derivative ng 20X, it is equal to 20. Kunin natin ang derivative ng 0.01X squared, so magiging negative 0.02X dahil kinapin natin yung kanyang operation. At next, ang kunin natin ang derivative ng 0.002X cubed, ito ay magiging positive 0.006X squared. Next, pagka nakuha na natin yung first derivative, let's evaluate the derivative at x is equal to 250. Ibig sabihin lang nun, yung x natin ay papalitan natin ng 250, which is yun yung sinabi ni Chuchu number 1 na gagawin na daw niyan 250 pieces of cookies per day. It is equal to C of 250 is equal to 20 minus 0.02 plus 0.0006 times 250 squared. It is equal to 20 minus 5 plus 37.5. And after nun, susolve lang natin sila at makukuha natin C of 250 is equal to 52.5 or 53 pesos. Ibig sabihin, 53 pesos ang magiging marginal cost ni Chuchu number 1 kapag ginawa niyang 250 pieces ang cookies niya per day. Dapat mo unahin, naiintindihan mo ba?
Maraming salamat po, Madam Carlo. Sorry rin, Chuchu to. Pasensya ka na.
Okay lang, okay lang.
At dahil dyan, naging maayos na ang talakayan ngayong face-to-face, magbabalik ang face-to-face kalmari mo.
Velocity, it can be defined as the rate of change of the object's position with respect to a frame of reference and time. It might sound complicated, but velocity is basically speeding in a specific direction. Also, in calculus, it's essentially how quickly an object's position is changing at a specific moment. Mathematically, it's the derivative of the position's function with respect to time. Example, if the position of a car at a time is displacement position is given by s of t equals 3t squared plus 5t minus 2. Find the velocity of the object at t time equals 7. Solution. First step, Find the derivatives of the position function. Kung meron tayong function na s of t equals 3t squared plus 5t minus 2, ang magiging derivatives nun ay 6t plus 5. So, meron na tayong bagong equation which is 6t plus 5. So, sa second step natin, substitute the given time value into the derivative. Kung ang value ng t natin ay 7, sa lahat ng 7 do sa bago nating equation which is 6t plus 5, isa-substitute natin yung 7. Which is, ang mangyayari, magiging 6 times 7 equals 42 plus 5 equals 47. Therefore, the velocity of the object car at t equals 7 is 47 minutes per second.
Gaya sa mga naging halimbawa ng calculus sa real-life application, calculus is not just about solving, but also a helping hand for realization about how fundamental it is in various fields.
Sabi nga ni Madam Carlo, ang may kalmadong isip ay may kalmadong buhay. Sa calculus, mga kumaring ko'y ginawa ang buhay.